Now, when you're doing algo trading, the robots do the whole thing, okay? I had the MetaTrader platform in front of me, which is the most popular platform for algo trading. It's the trustiest one, and it was very popular in the Forex market, but now there are cryptos, there are stocks, and we can trade everything with robots. So right in front of me I have the euro dollar, the pound dollar, and euro pound, and I have the three robots. So here they are. You can see that for the last month or so they have been trading very successfully, and I had $99 of a profit, but this is because I was trading just 0.1 lot. If I was trading a complete lot, I would have had $991, and if I was trading with 10 lots, I would have had nearly $10,000 as a result. So it's all about how much you're trading with, right? If I was trading the Axie Infinity with $2,000 instead of $200, I would have had $300 and not just $30 as a profit in one day. But in my videos I always aim to show trading with small amounts because I don't want you to take it as a recommendation trading huge volume and amount. It's your personal choice with how much you are trading. The thing is, when you are trading with expert advisors on the Forex market, on the crypto market, once attached on the chart, they are following the market with certain strategies and they are executing the trades. For example, at this moment I have 3 trades opened with this robots. I have one for the pound dollar. So let's see where it was open. If I go to the end of the chart, you will see that the last trade was open right in here and it's already on a profit. Okay, the other 2 are on a loss, but we usually don't look at the open trades. We usually look at the final result because this is what matters. But here is the open trade. Okay, we have the stop loss below and the take profit is very close to the current market. Now you can see that this strategy follows 3 indicators, which if I have to do manually, it's a lot of work. And if I want to trade different assets, if I want to trade euro dollar, if I want to trade pound dollar, euro pound, if I want to trade Axie Infinity and all the other coins that I'm trading daily, it will be nearly impossible if I do the whole thing manually. So personally, I do algorithmic trading on the Forex market, I do it on the crypto market, and I do it on the stock market. Now, when I want to invest in cryptos and my wallets, then I have to buy it manually. But when it comes to pure trading, I prefer algo trading because I can trade many strategies on many markets and I can really enjoy my life, okay? I don't want to stay in front of the screen all day long. I used to do that, not enjoying it anymore. All right, I really hope I succeeded to make it easier for you to decide if you want to go for manual or algo trading. And since you're taking this course, I guess you want to do more algo trading just like me. And I'm sure by the end of the course, you will have a complete idea what algo trading is and if it's the right thing for you or not. Don't forget to download the robots from this video and I will see you in the next.